Hello friends, now we have seen the present perfect tense form we know, and then we know the distribution. Now third one is our method of study. Third is negative, we have done. Now fourth is WH question. Sorry, yes or no question. Yes or no question. As you know, it's called yes or no because the answer is either yes or no. Very simple. And now you can see, he has been studying. He has been studying. Then you have to make a yes or no question. What have you to do? That the simple method is inversion. Inversion means subject takes the position of the verb and verb takes the position of subject. And you have got more than one word in the verb phrase. Now you can see here have got three words here. This is the verb phrase or the verb you can say, and take the first part and put it just before the subject. Then you will have has he been studying, and you have got the question mark. That's the question, yes or no question. Understand? Very simple. What is it? They have been playing chess. So you want to make a yes or no question? Take the first part, bring it here. Then you will get the how they've been playing chess. Listen. Boys have been singing. So question is how the boys been singing. Just move it like. Listen. It's like this. This is inversion. This is subject, this is verb. And then you have got more members in the verb phrase, don't worry. Look at the first one. Subject, verb. Then what happens is, this becomes the question. Has he been doing? Listen. We have seen this in simple present. In simple present, of course, you require insertion of do. And then we saw it in the present continuous, we saw it in the present perfect, exactly like that. Or you have you find, it has been raining. Has it been raining? It has been raining. Has it been raining? See, they have been shouting. How they've been shouting? You understand? How they've been shouting? They have been playing football. How they've been playing football? See, he has been scolding the students. Has he been scolding the students? Scolding. Teachers are like that. Once upon a time, not now. And then you have got it. He has been watching films. Has he been watching films? Oh, he has been, what do you call this? He has been searching WhatsApp, isn't it? Or watching WhatsApp. Has he been watching WhatsApp? You can see now, people are now, young people, old people, everyone, so to say, you can say, 99.9% of people sitting in a bus traveling or a train and so on, you will see that they are always doing this. This way, this is. So they have been doing. That's a very good action for expressing it in present perfect tense. They have been doing. They have been WhatsApping. You can make a verb. Have they been WhatsApping? Yes, they have been WhatsApping. That's kind of a new word, you guess. I think that's very simple. Now there is one more point, and that you know, and that is WH question. For that, what you have to do? Present perfect progressive, yes or no, or WH question. Now, WH questions have, as we have seen, new information. So you have to find out the appropriate WH word. So, for example, we have got what, when, where, who, whose, whom, how, why, how much, sorry, how much, how many, how far, how often, and so on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is it did I miss anything? Where, whose, everything is there now. What, when, time, where, place, who, person, whose, genitive, whom, accusative, how, the way, why, reason, how much, quantity, how many, quality, number, then how far, distance, how often you have got a frequency. So then you take, depending on the context, you take the right WH question. Otherwise the first part is just like yes or no. Just move and then add the right WH question. Understand? For example, he has been eating apples. Very dangerous. Too many apples. So what will you do? Apples, you won't get the answer apples. So you write the next one. What? You cannot say where, who, etc. So then our technique, yes or no. Has he been eating? What? Question word has to be brought, no? Brought in the front of the sentence. In English, question should begin with the question word. That's very simple. Yes, what has he been eating? Then you will get apple in this sentence. Understand? Who has been shouting? He has been shouting. He has been shouting. Then we can say, take the who. Instead of he, you hear who. Who, you can see without any problem, easily you can start the question with who. Who has been shouting? Understand? Who has been shouting? See? They have been going to Jerusalem. Where have they been going? They have been going to the Himalayas. Where have they been going? They have been going to Himalayas for some time. See that? And then you say, they have been, yes. How often have they been going to Himalayas? How often? See that? They have been, how long? They have been staying they have been staying at the foot of the mountains for a very long period of time. Then you can say, how long have they been staying at the foot of the mountains? How long have they been? See that? They have been going far, far away. So how far have they been going? How far have they been going? Listen, they have been taking many books with them. How many books have they been taking with them? How many books have they been taking with them? Right? And then you can say, the students have been taking much money from their parents. How much money have the students been taking from their parents? See that? Then you can say, they have been remaining absent for many days. Why have they been remaining absent for many days? Why have they been remaining? But if you know the yes or no question and then the correct question word, use the correct question word for the information and then bring it in the beginning of the sentence. That's all what that you have to do. As I have already shown you. Or you have said, that is, he has been talking to the principal. Whom has he been talking? If he is talking to, John Dryden will get angry with you. He doesn't like sentences ending with preposition in English. So we will not make him angry. We will leave the two. Not necessary. Otherwise also it is clear. Understand? So this is how you do W. Now I humbly request you, please watch some of the videos which we say when we discussed. You remember those present continuous tense. So since it was the first tense that discussed, I have in great detail explained all these points, how to make WH question and all those things, how to make. Even now I think it is clear. Okay, let's have some more examples, then I think it will be clear. So that tomorrow we will be able to do an exercise. Understand? Based on this yes no question as well as either yes no question, or we can have also WH question. Understand? Right? Yes. So the cap of my pen has gone down, so I am just picking it up. Alright? Yes. Now here, the next one is, you can see, let's say like this. We have been playing chess. Okay. So you want which question word will you use? You can say what? See, what have you been doing? See, playing chess can be what? Chess is playing do. So you can say what have you been doing? Or you can say what have you been doing? So we have been playing chess. Isn't it? We have been playing chess. What have you been doing? Or you can say another person. Why have you been playing chess? That is not a good question. You cannot ask. You cannot say how have you been playing chess. That is impossible. How have you been playing chess? That's possible. Okay. The best choice is what? Isn't it? Yes. And then we have got sentences like this. Let's see, one starting with the W, so yes or no, and then going to WH. Okay? Then let's see. He has been going to holy places. Places of pilgrimage, holy places. So you can say, yes or no question will be, has he been going to holy places? Question mark. Now you want to get the answer holy places. So you can say where? Where has he been going? Where has he been going? He has been going to holy places. He has been going to places of pilgrimage. So you can see now, he has been going, has he been going, then where? And where, sorry, where, what is right here, yes, where? Where has he been going? So from the yes or no, see how the yes or no is and the WH are related, and the statement also. Finally, I want just to show you that all these sentences, see, they start from the mother sentence. Mother sentence is the basic sentence. As in this case, he has been going to, has he been going to, where has he been going to? And suppose you get where has he been going to, then you should be able to go roll back also, isn't it? See, I will give you an example for that also, so that it becomes easier for you when you do direct speech and indirect speech. Understand? So for example, we said, how has he been doing it? Question. Now from here you can go back to yes or no. Has he been doing it? Now you want to get the question here. Now you want to make it a statement. Suppose you want to make it a statement, then he has been doing it. See that? So you can move from WH to statement, from statement to WH. See how they are related, that's the point. It's very important. Because otherwise, sometimes whatever you think, this is a separate sentence, this is another one, this is another one. No. They are transforms. You can say. Transform. Transform means changed form, that's all. Transform is changed form. Changed form. For example, if we say again, they have been going to school. So you want a WH question, then to school. Where have they been going? If it is a yes no question, have they been going to school? See that? So this way you can try with the sentences like this. Okay, I hope you understood. So bye, have a nice day.